Welcome. Healthy food helps the body to maintain organ function and ensure its performance. Nutrient intake for the body can be obtained from various healthy foods. Lorem ipsum dolor sit-emet, consecteter adipising illit. Curabiter of vivera turpis, non sigidus sem pelentesc trustique ricis in nec pulviner elefend. Cras ipsum eros, dictum sed erat sit-emet, acumsin labortis orsi. Lorem ipsum dolor sit-emet. Whipping up dinners good for 2 to 3 days a week should be a good place to begin meal prep at home. Intentionally insert dishes made with vegetables, fruits, and grains. Identify the day for planning the menu, shopping for ingredients, and for cooking. Keep food by portion size while following proper storage to prevent spoilage. Try out Meatless Mondays, Taco Thursdays, or Fried Chicken Fridays so your family has food traditions to look forward to. This makes meal planning easier to predict too.